Right now, we'd like to bring on a young man who believes in doing things his own way. His way has got to be pretty hip, so let's lay some noise.
It's the unspoken word that traveled through time, only to be revealed for the first time in the mid-September's day when your eyes met mine. Amongst the sunshine illuminating beauty, combined with divine essence my eyes have never seen before. Left in a daydream, hovering land like leaves in the wind or sand at the seashore. As I traveled, left unraveled, right where I stand as a blessed man to have you in my life. So special, what I want in a wife. You're everything I dream about, and now we're living it out. So I wanna take the time to say thanks for caring, and use this moment to finally share it. I love you so much, that's why I am what I am. My husband, lover, and friend.
I can't help but feel I owe you more than love. No matter where you go, I'm there. Without you in my life, I have nothing, no matter what you do. I'm here.
When I wake up and I hear you calling, I get a smile, I know my day started. A father with 2 kids, a job to do, a big world, no time to lose. I'ma step up and do what I'm supposed to. Shelter you when life's a roller coaster. I love you so much, you're my inspiration. When I'm rocking mics, traveling places, it's your faces I see when I'm moving the crowd. Got me anxious to get home so we can hang out and catch up on the times we missed, the hug and kiss. Nothing can replace the times like this. It's so beautiful, so special to me. 2 boys, Sam and Quincy, that's why I do what I do, why I am what I am. I love you, your father and friend.
I can't help but feel I owe you more than love. No matter where you go, I'm there. Without you in my life, I have nothing, no matter what you do. I'm here.
When I stand in the mirror and see my reflection, I see you and the time you invested, raising me up to be a man of honor. Never give up, keep reaching farther, keep pushing till I reach my dreams. It feels so good to know you believe in me. Now I see all the work you put in to help me learn and understand these things. It wasn't easy, yeah I know. You worked so hard just to keep us afloat. I appreciate that, can't tell you enough. I love you, Mom, I thank you so much.
I can't help but feel I owe you